Okay. This used to be the door coming into the bathroom right here where I'm standing. A little short hallway and a door going into what used to be a bedroom here. Well, we're putting the bathroom over on that wall, so we'll be back to back with the bathroom on the other side of that wall, and all the plumbing will be much easier to do. I'm taking all the old plumbing out over here, and I pretty much got that wall all framed in to where it's all strong and steady enough to sheetrock and straight, and that corner one stud, I gotta get one more in it, and gotta start working on getting this wall raised back up. You can see up there how it's kind of hanging down. I've got it crippled up with a couple of stands here that I made and some jacks. I got to get that. I'll be putting a washer and dryer right here, so lots of work. But anyway, that's what I'm working on now. Gotta get that pipe right there. That was a vent for the toilet. Got it cut off and the toilet drain undone, so it'll be thrown out the window. And then I get all this flooring redone in here. I'll be able to, I think on the other side of that wall, that room over there is not going to be quite as much work to do, but we'll see. And the other bathroom was already here. I'm just gonna have to put a wall here and right across here for this bathroom, and then this bedroom here will have a full-length closet on this wall. Get probably put a real narrow, maybe about a 2-foot window here, and a little old bench right there in between the two closets. But we'll see how far it gets. Can't believe I'm doing this. Oh well, let's get her on. Thanks for watching. Bye.